Hey guys, I'm at the Bowdwen yard here in Jacksonville. Over there you can see train moving. I think this is the only train moving. And then you got what I think is over there is the Christmas train. Then you got the pink lady. Then you got those red ones over there, the red and the blue ones. You got an engine. Where is it? Right here. Right there. Yeah. And yeah. This is it. You also got a coal train on the furthest track. If this is what you wanted to see, well, I got the video right here. Sounds like they're going to stop because I hear some brakes. Wait, that's coming from way down there. And yeah,
pictures of these over here.
I'm just gonna do a video.
Yeah, just do the video.
Can't be going in people places like this.
Okay, right here. That's a good spot right here for you, Jameer. Okay.
Guess that's where they work on the trains back in now.
Yeah.
Can you get a visual?
Yep.
You got it?
I got this engine right here.
I would have went down there. You would have been right there by it.
Y'all can go down there and let y'all get your own stuff.
We will.
Is you finished, Jameer? He left.